Tips on how to plant Canna Discolor for beginner. Canna Discolor, or known as Canna Discolor, is one type of tuber-producing plants that belong to the Canna or Caceae. Canna Discolor including tuber-producing plants are quite popular, but now Canna Discolor plants are increasingly threatened its sustainability because not many people who plant, cultivate and consume these plants' Canna Discolor bulbs. Canna bulbs contain discolor starch, although not as much as sweet potato starch. Characteristic feature of plants Canna Discolor. Canna Discolor plants are herbs-bearing and stems and leaves slightly waxy. The plant height of Canna Discolor can reach a height of 0.9 to 3 meters. The leaves of the Canna Discolor plant are elongated and wide, with the base and the tip of the leaf slightly pointed. Canna bulbs are large-sized discolor with thick tegage and surrounded by purple or brown scales. Canna flower discolor orange with yellow base. Canna flower discolor has 3 strands of petals. Flower Canna discolor can appear single or paired irregularly. Canna fruit discolor in the form of 3 boxes of bears, with each room contains 5 small seeds of black. Here's how to cultivate Canna Discolor easily for beginners. 1. Preparation of Canna Discolor seeds. Canna Discolor seeds can be obtained from tubers and saplings Canna Discolor plants. If the seed propagation is done through Canna Discolor tubers, then take the bulbs from the parent growth that is old enough or has been aged 10 to 15 months, grow healthy, fertile, normal, and has formed the root level or the hump. If seed propagation is done through seedlings, then take from clumps that have aged about 10 to 15 months, have enough seedlings and have healthy and normal growth. Each hectare of land takes about 4117 to 1777 7 seeds Canna plant discolor, depending on the spacing used. In order to avoid tuber rot disease before planting, tuber seeds dipped in solution CuSO for 10%. 2. Preparation of Canna planting discolor. Land that will be used to plant Canna Discolor plants, first to be pierced by the plow or hoe as deep as 30 centimeters. After that, dry for 15 days. Then hoe back while making a bundle with a width of about 40 to 60 centimeters, height of 30 centimeters and length adjusted to the length of the land. Each bundle is spaced about 60 to 100 centimeters. Next, make a planting hole as deep as 12.5 to 15 centimeters with a distance of about 75 centimeters by 75 centimeters, 100 centimeters by 75 centimeters, 90 centimeters by 90 centimeters, 100 centimeters by 135 centimeters depending on fertility soil. Perform basic fertilization using manure or compost with doses of 25 to 30 tons per hectare of land. 3. Planting Canna Discolor. Once everything is ready, do the planting. Plant the seedlings in the planting hole that has been prepared with the buds up and then back by planting it around the planting hole. A good time to plant a gaog is the start of the rainy season. 4. Canna plant maintenance discolor. If there is a dead Canna Discolor seed, then immediately do the stitching by replacing it with new seeds for the plants to grow in unison. Do weeding on weeds around the plant's Canna Discolor, so as not to interfere with growth. Also do soil or sprinkling of soil when Canna Discolor plants are about 2 to 2.5 months old. In addition to doing a monthly fertilization is no gaog plants using liquid fertilizer or artificial fertilizer. 5. Harvest Canna Discolor. The Canna Discolor bulb can be diapir after about 4 to 8 months after planting. However, the maximum time is when the plant Canna Discolor 8 months after planting, because the tubers have grown to a maximum. Similarly, our video on how to cultivate Canna plant discolor for beginners. Hope you can benefit and watch our next video too. See you soon and thank you.